cheated, lied to, or tricked? She's tackling every opportunity to make something that went wrong right. Better Call Bacon is on your side.
Carvana, the popular used car dealer known for its unique car vending machines and driveway delivery, has seen business boom during the pandemic.
But some Bay Area consumers say that convenience led to major headaches, even preventing them from being able to legally drive their vehicles. And that's when they knew they'd better call Bacon.
These consumers turned to me months after their purchases, worried about why Carvana could not obtain the title to their cars. And tonight, the serious question: what's the holdup?
Because obviously something's going on here.
Michael Johnston had his eye on an Infiniti SUV for a while and found this one online at Carvana. But 4 months after buying the SUV, he's one of a troubling group of Carvana buyers trapped in a tidal web of mystery. He still can't register the vehicle in his name because Carvana hasn't provided the title.
We don't drive it anymore right now. It just sits.
Michael's Florida temporary plate expired July 5th. And since Carvana couldn't legally give him another Florida temporary plate, he says they provided him with this temporary paper plate from Arizona and told him to tape it to the back window. That caused Michael to be pulled over twice by the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office, who noticed both plates.
When he pulled me over, I gave him all the paperwork. He ran this and said that it's not valid. He doesn't even know why they would give this to me. It's not legal either to have it in Florida if I'm a Florida resident.
He can't get a straight answer from Carvana.
On Sunday, didn't hear back, so Monday morning I texted him again.
I found he's not alone.
And they keep acknowledging that there's a problem with the title.
Last month, I told you about Dan Padilla of Tampa, who couldn't drive the Subaru he bought from Carvana because the company couldn't locate the title. After I got involved, Carvana swapped out the car for this Volkswagen Jetta. Great for Dan, but still no answer as to where the title is for the Subaru. I've now heard from 5 Tampa Bay Carvana customers who couldn't register their cars and get permanent plates and registration. So what does Carvana have to say for itself?
Are you having trouble with banks not releasing titles? I just don't understand why you would sell a car that you don't have clear title for.
I was told they would look into these issues and call me back. Good thing I didn't hold my breath. Days later, no call. So I did what I do. Kept digging and found similar complaints from multiple states. In fact, North Carolina recently suspended Carvana's license in one county until the end of January. A spokeswoman from the North Carolina Department of Justice tells me one of the reasons is that Carvana issued out-of-state temporary tags and plates. Sound familiar? I emailed the spokeswoman for Carvana again today, and so far, no response. So here's what I'm doing to help Michael. I called the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. It issued Michael another temporary Florida plate so he can now drive his SUV legally for now. Plus, the department tells me it is looking into this situation.
So you do what you do.
That's what I do.
And you did it, and you'll stay on it. And you've also stayed on Olympus Pools. There's another update on that, right?
That's right. I have an update on that. Back in May, I told you that Olympus Pools faced a lawsuit from the largest pool supply manufacturing company in the country, SCP Distributors. Well, that lawsuit did not just go away because Olympus shut down. In fact, a Pasco County judge has entered a final judgment of more than $1 million. According to that judgment, Olympus, as well as owner James Staten and his wife Alexis Staten, are now on the hook for that debt. Court records show that the Statens have asked for a rehearing, but that has not yet been rescheduled.
Wow. All right. Thank you, Shannon. And if you have a problem that needs solving, you better call Bacon. There's the number, 1-855-BACON, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA.